There is a healthcare crisis in America and around the world. It centers on cardiovascular disease. In fact, the #1 killer of men and women worldwide is cardiovascular disease, and this applies equally to men and women in every ethnic community. But what if there was a way to address this naturally, with a nutritional supplement that incorporates Nobel Prize winning research and is recognized by the medical community? One that has been specifically designed to help improve cardiovascular health and comes with a 120-day money-back guarantee. Would you have interest in learning more about a product that is effectively addressing these types of health concerns? Take, for example, Norm McCallum, who was sent home to get his affairs in order. Norm was given a couple of months to live because the medical community had no more treatment options since his heart was too weak for any kind of major surgery to address the 5 blockages in his heart's vascular system. Norm searched for answers outside of the medical community and came across PROARGI-9+. He incorporated this product into his lifestyle and has experienced remarkable improvements. Initially, Norm couldn't walk to his mailbox without being exhausted. Now, he walks 80 minutes every other day. He's off half his medications. And where he couldn't travel outside his home, now Norm travels outside the country. Norm's been on PROARGI-9+ for over a year. He's living a productive life well beyond the couple of months he was given. Can PROARGI-9+ do this for every person who takes this product? We don't make that claim, but our experience with this product shows us that we can help a lot of people. Donald Clark would be another great example of the power of nourishing the interior lining of all of your cardiovascular system. That lining is called the endothelium, and it regulates most of your cardiovascular health. In 1998, the Nobel Prize in Medicine was awarded to 3 American researchers for their discovery on how this endothelium converts the semi-essential amino acid L-arginine into nitric oxide, the master signaling molecule of your entire cardiovascular system. Nitric oxide has 3 critically important functions or benefits to your vascular system. First, it relaxes the smooth muscle of the vascular wall, causing vasodilation for improved blood flow, which also helps to maintain normal blood pressure. Second, nitric oxide keeps blood platelet cells from sticking together to naturally lower your risk for strokes and heart attacks. Third, at high enough levels, nitric oxide will initiate reparative mechanisms to heal damage done to the endothelium. This can result in the reversal of plaque formations and calcification to help return the vascular system to a younger and more flexible state. Given this information, Donald Clark's doctor suggested that he use L-arginine to help address his severe PAD, which is peripheral arterial disease. This disease drastically reduced Donald's mobility. After 6 weeks on an L-arginine supplement, Donald showed considerable improvements. In 2012, Donald started using PROARGI-9+ and saw additional improvements. At the time of this recording, Donald's follow-up visit to his clinic showed that his arteries were now as clear as a 29-year-old. And since Donald was 66 years at the time, you can understand how grateful he is to come across this product and information on what is called nitric oxide therapy. And while we are a bit biased about PROARGI-9+ because we've seen how effective this product can be in helping people improve their vascular health, it's nice to know that the medical community sees this product as the best in the world. In 2014, PROARGI-9+ was listed in the Physician's Desk Reference, which doctors use for guidelines on what they recommend to their patients. It's the only nitric oxide L-arginine supplement listed. And this exclusive listing is also in the 2015 Physician's Desk Reference. In fact, the exact first line is this, quote, PROARGI-9+ is the highest quality L-arginine supplement in the world, end of quote. That's a pretty significant endorsement for a nutritional supplement, but it makes sense when you understand the design and quality control that goes into this product. But before we talk about this, I'd like to ask you a question. How many of you who are listening and watching this presentation either have or know someone who has high blood pressure. Typically, when we ask this question in any group presentation, more than half and sometimes almost all the participants in that group raise their hand. This was the case for Sherry Hammer, whose blood pressure was 160/90. She was faced with the choice to go either on medication or to try this natural supplement called PROARGI-9+. Not wanting to be on medication, she decided to use this product. The result was her blood pressure returned to normal, and for the last 4 years it has consistently averaged 112/68. This was a relief to her and her family members. Could it be a relief to those you know who are dealing with the #1 cause of strokes and heart attacks? We'll leave that answer for you to make. The nice thing about this product is that you can put it to the test, and if it doesn't achieve the positive outcome you're looking for, it can be returned for a full refund. Synergy Worldwide is so confident in their product that they give you a 120-day unconditional money-back guarantee. Most supplement companies don't offer this extended guarantee, and the medications you take have no return policy. If they don't work, then there is no refund, just another prescription to fill, hoping the next medication will address your health concern. So what separates PROARGI-9+ from the rest of the competition? To answer this question, I'm going to focus on 5 key areas. First, there are 262 quality assurance steps that go into the manufacturing of this product. Synergy Worldwide is owned by Nature's Sunshine Products, a giant in the nutrition industry. They were recognized in 2013 by Forbes magazine as one of America's 100 most trustworthy companies. Only 3 other pharmaceutical companies made this list, and of the 4, Synergy Worldwide, Nature's Sunshine Products had the highest aggregate score. Second, the L-arginine and L-citrulline are pharmaceutical grade. This means that they meet the highest purity and potency standards set for these ingredients. And to use the term pharmaceutical grade means that it has to be independently verified. Most other L-arginine supplement manufacturers use a lesser grade to save on cost. Third, PROARGI-9+ uses a combination of vitamin D3 and K2 to help optimize the production of nitric oxide by the endothelium. This combination is critically important, and you'll see other supplements in this area use a vitamin D-K combination, but they don't usually disclose which form of vitamin K. Most use vitamin K1, which is less expensive and has little benefit to the vascular system. The more expensive form of K2 is well documented for its ability to improve cardiovascular health. In a recent 2014 study, vitamin K2 showed a 20% risk reduction in arterial calcification and a whopping 57% reduction in coronary heart disease mortality. Fourth, PROARGI-9+ includes pomegranate fruit concentrate. Most nitric oxide supplements do not include this ingredient, but in human clinical trials, this ingredient helps improve the enzymatic activity of the endothelium, leading to an increased production of nitric oxide. In these studies, this increased nitric oxide production resulted in the reversal of plaque formations and calcification. Fifth, to our knowledge, PROARGI-9+ is the only L-arginine supplement to actually be used in a human clinical study. This occurred in 2009 at the High Desert Heart Institute. There were 33 congestive heart failure patients in this study who were maxed out both medically and pharmaceutically, meaning that there were no further medical options available. All 33 patients were placed on an aggressive use of PROARGI-9+, and by the end of 90 days, all had seen, quote, remarkable results. So remarkable that this mainstream medical facility incorporated PROARGI-9+ into their treatment protocols. It was this study that helped the medical community begin to take seriously this nutritional supplement as an alternative method for addressing cardiovascular health concerns. Health concerns like high blood pressure, vascular complications from diabetes, stroke protection, ED or sexual function issues, cholesterol concerns, and improved cognitive function, to name just a few. Additionally, athletes have seen tremendous benefits from this product. The reason why is that when you properly nourish the endothelium to help optimize its production of nitric oxide, the resulting benefit is improved blood flow. This increases the athlete's ability to deliver oxygen and nutrients while properly removing waste products. This allows the athlete to both train and perform at a higher aerobic capacity, resulting in less lactic acid production. This allows them to either work out or perform at a higher intensity and then recover faster. Some will use PROARGI-9 Plus for weight management. By taking 1 scoop 30 minutes prior to their largest meal, they're able to curb their appetite. This results in less food consumption and fewer calories consumed. Because the vascular system does a better job delivering these nutrients, they're not hungry after their meal and have improved energy. This leads to more activities, which burns more calories. The result for many is a reshaping of their body with better energy and sense of well-being. As you can see, PROARGI-9 Plus can be used to address multiple health and athletic issues for both men and women. We would invite you to join our mission, which is to save millions of lives from the #1 killer of men and women worldwide, which is cardiovascular disease. Please help us get this information into the hands of your family and friends so that together we can help others enjoy improved health and wellness. And if you see this product as being beneficial to you, then we invite you to talk with the person who shared this information with you. They can help you better understand how you can obtain the best L-arginine supplement in the world. Make the decision today to improve your own cardiovascular wellness.